Okay, it has been off for the whole night. So next day I'm turning it on a solar panel and look at it go, immediately producing a lot of HHO gas, and at 320 milliamps, 60 volts, because I'm using a solar panel and it's a 90 volt solar panel, 50 watts, so it can do half an amp. But look, there's not much water in there, and somehow it's still, from the top plate to where actually in the top plate there should not be much water, because it will drip all down. It had all night to do that, and still I'm applying a voltage from the top plate, and the impedance is probably very high because it's still 60 volts, but somehow it is conducting, and look, it's pushing the water out a lot because the voltage is very high. Probably temperature will go up fast. It's still cold though, but at 60 volt it's quite a lot of HHO, and we're talking 30 watts here for this one cell. Oh, look at that. That's still impressive. It's just tap water and it's getting brown immediately, and I'm not sure what happens if I leave this on for a few days. Okay, I've taken it outside so I can leave it run. I don't want to blow up the house if I leave it in and all this hydrogen is coming in. You never know what happens. So it's 60 volts and 300 milliamps. It's bubbling. Okay, so I'm leaving it on for an hour or so and see what happens. Okay, I'm now 5 minutes into the process, and as you can see, the voltage is dropping and the current is going up, so the impedance is changing, and it's probably warming up as well. It is 47 degrees. Of course the sun is shining all day here on the concrete, so that's also heated up, but it can be that it's only 40 degrees now. So anyway, you can still see that the voltage is dropping, and because there is some vapor in there in the unit, the impedance is changing constantly. You see it's going up to the 400 milliamps and it's going down to 50 volts. In the meantime, it's producing more and more HHO. It's quite good actually. Interesting. This is the solar cell. It's 90 volts open and half an amp. Very old one. Very cheap. Okay, running for 10 minutes now. And it's down 45, 44 volts and 43, 400. Okay, it's half an hour now. Still dropping in voltage. 38 volts, between 40 and 38, and it's almost 500, almost half an amp. So half an amp times 44 is 20 watts, and at 20 watts, look at it go. It's almost a constant stream. Now temperature reading 60, 65, 65 degrees. Now the floor is also very warm. The concrete here is, look at it go, performing very well. It's 65 degrees and it's 30, between 38 and 40 volts and almost half an amp. It's performing very well. It's now running for half an hour. Okay, and now an hour, minimal an hour running, still running fast. It stays around 65 degrees and 38 volts and 400 milliamps. Well, the sun is a little bit less than before. It's now almost 3 o'clock, so not bad. Still water running in the system. Okay, it almost stopped, and it's only 70 milliamps. Not much activity anymore, so I have to refill it with water.